Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, LaB, and today I'm back with another eyebrow video. So I've already opened the box. It came with this little cute cup. I have it on the side next to me so you can see. It has 3 wood sticks, a brush applicator, a syringe, some oil, and the henna powder with a little scoop to get it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I mixed the henna powder with the water, and then you have to let it cure for 10 minutes. So now it's been 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and start applying this. Now, I'm gonna take like the little applicator brush. And my face, by the way, I just washed my face. I used some like little cheap face wash. I'm not like a big skincare expert. And so I'll dry my face and then I'll let it air dry. So this is a little cup. Get into me, there we go. And I dipped it in, and I'm just gonna basically do like I do for my eyebrows every day. So I'm not gonna use a lot because I want it to look as natural as possible. So y'all, I think this might be a little too watery. I'm going to, against my better judgment, add a little bit more of the powder into the mix and then kind of see how this comes out. Because it said it makes it to like a yogurt consistency. To me, this looks like yogurt. They didn't say Greek yogurt, plain yogurt. They just said yogurt, so we gonna go with this. So I add a little bit more of the powder, and I'm going to keep going. Last time I got henna, it lasted me for about maybe a week. I don't know, I have really oily skin, so I know with oily skin you don't get the longevity. All right, so I'm gonna turn my brush and then try to get more of the hair-like strokes in the front. Let me get closer. You don't see that? I'm about to get in the mirror. Let me go look and see what it looks like. All right, so I got closer and use a regular mirror so I can get it. I feel like if I go a little darker with my skin being so oily, once it starts to fade, it's gonna look really good. So last time when I got it professionally done, the girl did it. Great job. Shout out to her. Hey, Rochelle, if you watching. The first day it was really dark, and then the next morning when I woke up, it was like, okay, I like this. So I'm gonna do this other eyebrow, and then I'll come back at the end and show y'all how I clean all this up. All right, so I think I'm done applying everything. I'm gonna let this sit. Let me see, I think it says, let me see, 10-15 minutes, and then apply warm water to a soft cotton pad and gently wash away with okay, so basically I'm gonna take a wet cotton ball and just wipe this away when the time is up, and then I'm gonna follow up with this oil that came with the kit, and that's it. So I'll be back. It's been about 10-15 minutes, so I'm gonna take these cotton balls And I'm gonna wipe this off and see how it goes. Ooh. This look good. I can quit blinding myself. This look really good. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that looks like y'all see me? That look good. Okay, okay. Look at playing. All right, I'm gonna do that eyebrow. Come on, come on. It's like real hard, crispy feeling, but it's coming on. I just feel like with wearing a mask, my brows are like a must now, and this will make my life so much easier. I did miss a spot right there. I think I'm gonna go back later and touch that up. I gotta run to Hobby Lobby though. I'm gonna be back. All right, so I went and I touched up that little piece that I had lost. And I just went, I kind of went a little darker on my tails just to get more of that ombre look, but I am so excited. This looks so good, y'all. Look at these brows. I'm gonna let y'all know how long they last. I need to post some more videos too. I'm also gonna post a video to show you guys how long those eyebrow tattoos lasted too. I've been forgetting to post that. But anyways, I just wiped everything off. So there's nothing on my fingers, is it? No, ain't nothing on my fingers. All right, and then it came with this oil. So I'm gonna apply this oil. Oh, I got that lip gloss oil. So you just roll it on. I feel like this would make it rub off or whatever. I don't know. That's good, but yes, y'all see me? I like it. I think with my mask on, and I might go back to putting on individual lashes. This is perfect because I don't know if you know, I don't wear foundation anymore. I don't wear makeup anymore unless nothing, because I don't go anywhere but to work. So anyways, that's it. Y'all look good. All right, I'm gonna let y'all go. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Let me know what you think of these, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mila B out.